Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is not the next video in my channel that I wanted to make. I'm at a complete loss of words. Cinderella, the band Cinderella, has played a very, very huge role in my therapeutic relief when I was in my teens. I went through a lot. Instead of seeking drugs or alcohol or whatever back then, the thing that I would use as a coping mechanism is music. Anybody who doesn't know, unfortunately, Jeff LaBar, the guitarist for Cinderella, had passed away. And I found out through his son, Baz, on Facebook. I hate Facebook. I don't know why I felt compelled to go on it on my birthday, which was July 14th, when everything happened. And I found out before I went to sleep, to just kind of wrap up my birthday, I found out the news. Cinderella was my world, 8 years ago. Was my world. I was obsessed. It kept me out of trouble, and it was my form of therapy. I really do feel like it has saved my life. I will always have a special place in my heart for Cinderella. Rest in peace, Jeff, and thank you for the amazing memories, and thank you for the amazing music, and being awesome, and being so loving to your fans. And thank you, Jeff, for making my dreams possible and meeting the band, because you knew that I didn't have money for VIP. This is in honor of him and Cinderella. I'm gonna recreate my old makeup look that I used to wear back like 8 years ago when I went to the concerts, and I am going to attempt to use my hair the way that I used to. You guys might get a kick out of this. Do you remember this straightener from the How to Tease Your Hair video? Look at how old this is. This is from back in the day, and I still have it, and it still works amazing. I was obsessed with zebra print, leopard print, all that type of stuff. My pants that I wore. We are recreating that old video in honor of Jeff LaBar. I'm a little bit older and a little heavier, but it's okay. So here we go. So let's do the makeup first. I think people want to see the eye makeup, so I am going to stop recording right now, come back on here once I get to the eyes. Now, I'm gonna do the eye look. I'm gonna show you how I do it, or how I used to do it. Oh, Bonnie, my cat wants in. Hang on. Well, look who it is. It's the Bonnie.
Hi, say hello to everybody. Hi, YouTube. Oh my goodness. Hi. Say hi.
Hi, baby. Is she the cutest? My little baby. I would just take the eyeliner and run it underneath like that. So my colors were black and white on the lids. I'm gonna put the white eyeshadow on like this flatter type of brush right here. And I put this right here. I'm gonna take MAC Carbon Black. If I can find it. Sometimes I would go in with a gray, but mostly I would always go in with just like a black eyeshadow. And then I used to go in with a crease brush, one that was like way smaller than this back in the day, but we've upgraded. And then I would find my crease, and I would kind of like, with my eye open, use that to blend the eyeshadow. So then what I would do later on is I would take that brush that I used for the white, and I would just, with whatever was left on it, kind of just like blend it on the outside. I would blend wherever I need to blend. The next thing is putting the eyeliner on the lid now. Make sure your hands are clean. Just go right in here. And do that. I think this is a new one. Pretty sure. We'll find out. But this is how I like to... I used to go in with a liquid liner anyway, but go into the center of like my eye. Put a little mascara on. I'm running out. My makeup look was only about the eyeliner. And I would just put the mascara on basically to take the fallout off of my lashes. Now that we have the makeup part done, let's do the hair. Shit. This is gonna be kind of tough to do. I washed it yesterday, so I wouldn't imagine it would be too difficult to do. So my hair obviously looks a lot different from when I used to do it. I would take this and I would put it just like right here behind my ears. And then I would take this part of the teasing brush and I would just comb everything like forward that I wanted in the tease. I don't have the same type of layers I did back then. I can still probably achieve the look, but not the way I used to. We do have some layers going on though right here. They're very long though, so I'm gonna have to like wrap them up. Take the top part, the crown, and I would just start like teasing the shit out of it. I'm really gonna rat it up too. It's gonna be huge. Like that. That's what you want. Yeah, let's keep going with that. Let's keep going. Holy shit, I look like I stuck my tongue in a toaster. We can take this out and start just kind of meeting the front with the back. Wow. Wow. This is taking me back. Whoa. Holy shit. Oh boy. Alright. So now... Alright. Hang on. This is really difficult to do without like a legitimate mirror. The old Tom Kiefer lover is back. Oh my god. Shit. Jeff, I hope this made you proud. I really do. I hope everybody enjoyed watching this. This shit is no joke. Please get it. You could go like 90 miles an hour on a bike and the shit will not move. I really hope that you wear your helmet if you are riding a bike. Rest in peace, Jeff. I am still in a state of shock. First time that I met Cinderella was on the day I turned 18, so it was on the 14th, back in 2011, so that's when the magic happened. And then the year after that is when Jeff saw me tanning outside of the tour bus because I was so desperate to meet the band. So I would sit in the sun roasting, waiting for one of them to come out. Jeff knew that I absolutely loved this band, but I like being unique. And I hope everybody loved my recreation of this look, the hair, the makeup. I want to thank Jeff for making it possible to meet my all-time favorite band. I'll never forget it. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe. If you want to see more, click the notification bell to be notified for future videos. Rock on.